Here's a quick demo of the Google Cloud Next 24 app. We start at the top with some branding. They also use this little QR code so attendees can connect to each other. You can scan somebody else's QR code with the built-in scanner. We always use this up next on your agenda widget. So this is the personal agenda for the attendee, so you can see what's coming up for yourself. We have a daily agenda, which is the overview agenda that applies to everybody. It just shows the big blocks of time. Super handy. It auto advances each day. Google chose to use these event highlights as practical links to tracks of content. So each of these links to a different track of content inside the library. And on the homepage, you could also have carousels and other things that lead to different kinds of content. But Google tried to keep it simple, and we really tried to make it branded just for Google, so you can kind of see that here. Their sessions database comes all the way from Swoogo, and it works great. Everything comes over, including all the filters and tags that are on the sessions. You can browse the library, which has over 800 sessions, by scrolling or by day. You can use filters and favorites. I have favorites here. And you can search. So there's a lot of options here to see content inside the library and find things that you wanted to check out. And when you find something, you can tap on it, and you'll see usually an image at the top and then the speakers below. And if you tap on a speaker, you see their profile plus all the sessions they're speaking in. You can take notes on speakers. You can take notes on sessions also. And you can take notes on sponsors, and there's a way to export those later. We show all the details here, and if you add something to your agenda, then you can go here to My Agenda, and you see your personalized calendar, and you'll see something that looks a lot like Google Calendar. Not because it's Google, just that's our style of calendar. It's easy to understand. You can tap the plus sign anytime to see more content to fill in a gap in your schedule. Google chose to use these really great maps from Expo FP. We actually implemented their SDK. So this would be the most sophisticated mapping solution that we can do. This is pretty neat, but we also support PDF maps, but Google has this big campus with all these sponsors, so we chose to do something a little bit more interactive. We have networking turned on with an opt-in. Once you opt in, you'll see the directory. If anybody's on the directory, you can see what they've added for their profile, and you can book a meeting with them. You can chat with them. You can save contacts. I haven't done that yet. And you can have messages. You can edit your profile pretty easily right here in the app. Lots of great tools here. And then on the More menu, we've linked to their FAQs. It's just on their website. You can link to any URL. They have all their sponsors here listed by level, and we can order them inside the levels. Each sponsor has a profile and shows their sessions that they're sponsoring and their booth location. We also have speakers listed here so that you can see all the speakers who are at the event. You tap on them and you can see their profile. We have a game called the Passport Program. It shows all the stops that you can make, and if you complete a stop, it shows it as completed with little confetti. And then you can also see the prizes that are available. There's a leaderboard. I haven't won any prizes yet, so you see the 3 prizes that are available. There's also a leaderboard that Google chose not to use. You can have prizes with, or stops with points, and then you can create a leaderboard from that, but Google chose not to use that. And then we have a new calendar sync that allows you to sync your calendar to Google or Outlook, and a way to export your notes and contacts to save that. So that's a quick tour of the event coming up. It's 30,000 people in Las Vegas, and we're excited to be partnering with Google to deliver mobile for the event.